Man called Pitbull arrested after machete incident with cops. Student found dead on UWI campus identified. Suspect charged in relation to Nikita Noel's death. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. 23-year-old Ricardo Bryan, otherwise called Pitbull, of Wharf Lane in Orange Bay, Portland, was arrested and charged with assault at common law following an incident in his community on Wednesday, March 8. Reports are that at about 11:15 a.m., Bryan was accosted by a team of officers on patrol. He reportedly advanced toward one of the officers with a machete. The officer discharged a round from his firearm and Bryan fled the scene. He later turned up at the station accompanied by a relative. He was subsequently charged and is awaiting arrangements for court. The male student who was found dead in his room on the Elsa Leorine Hall of Residence at the University of the West Indies Mono campus has been identified. He is 21-year-old Kareem Medley of a Marvelly Kingston 20 address. Medley was the youngest of his mother's 5 children. The student, who was said to be in his final year of study, reportedly died from natural causes Wednesday morning. It was also reported that he had a history of seizures. Since Medley's passing, the university has provided counseling services to other residents of the hall. The institution said that a similar counseling session is being organized with the Faculty of Humanities and Education, of which Medley was a part. The police have charged a suspect held in connection with last month's rape and murder of 9-year-old Nikita Noel in Hanover. Omar Green, 42, a resident of Barbary Hill, Hanover, was charged with murder and rape Thursday afternoon by the Hanover police.